There's a rare breed of cryptocurrency coin that will actually make you money if you hold the damn coin. And no, I'm not talking about staking, although staking's pretty cool, so we do enjoy doing that on the channel. And no, I'm not talking about the Ponzi-nomic yield farms, although we do love ourselves some of those yield farms. I am talking about the coins that actually share money, real revenue, with holders of the tokens, that actually pay out their users in real hard currencies like dollars and Ethereum. There's not a lot of those coins out there, but there are some. And in this video, I want to highlight a few of my favorites that I have been keeping an eye on. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. Now, if you do like that topic, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you do like making money, which I suspect is probably a lot of the people watching this video, then make sure to whack on that thumbs up button. Let me know that it is something that you enjoy doing. And of course, if you appreciate this kind of content, you can also whack on the thumbs up button too. So, do the thing, man, do the thing. By the way, this is actually a topic that I covered a few weeks ago for Wealth Mastery Newsletter Investor Report readers. So if you do like this kind of information, as well as information on NFTs, altcoins, DeFi, airdrops, and much, much more, then you absolutely should sign up to our value-packed newsletter. Just use the link down below in the description where you can get started receiving our mails for free. Also, I've got to put a quick disclaimer in here. Obviously, do not go out and ape your life savings into any of the coins that I talk about just because I talked about it in a video. Buying cryptocurrency is risky. You can lose all of your money. And guess what? This is still a bear market. It's not over. Any of these coins could still lose a lot of their value or even go to zero. So be aware of the gosh darn risks, man. All that out of the way, let's talk coins. So, why do I want to talk about revenue generating coins? Well, because the harsh reality for the majority of these crypto coins, crypto tokens, most of them don't really have a lot of reason for existence. Oh yeah, money can be made obviously riding the hype train on those if you sell them, obviously. And I do like riding those hype trains. Can make a lot of money off of it, but the coins with real reasons to hold them are few and far between. I mean, come on. I don't want to govern your damn platform. Why do I need your governance token? My votes won't even matter even if I do try to govern your platform, because guess what? The whales on the team, they have all the power and decide what happens anyway. In the famous words of Jerry Maguire, just show me the money. Show me the money. So here's a list of coins that will actually make you real money if you hold them. The first coin I want to highlight is Joe, Trader Joe. Now this is actually one of the biggest decentralized exchanges on the Avalanche network. I've been bullish on the Avalanche network and on the Trader Joe token for a while. Their native Joe token can be used to get into launch pads on the platform, to boost your farming APY, or to do what I do with my stash of Joe tokens, that is to earn USDC for staking it. Now the rate for staking has ranged between something like 15 to 30% in the last few months, but that's pretty damn decent because this area is paid out in dollars, man. But where's that money come from? Well, quite simply, Trader Joe did what Uniswap was always promising to do, but never did because they got scared. The chickens over there at Uniswap got afraid of American regulators coming to crack down on them, so never did anything, never implemented this. Trader Joe decided to share platform fees with their token holders. So 0.05% of all the fees paid on the platform go to the people who are staking the Joe token. The more business the exchange does, the more money stakers make. This continues long term, it could be a very lucrative token to hold. I own it, I hold it, I'm staking it, holding on long term. Either it makes me rich or Avalanche and Trader Joe fail. I have, of course, literally betting on the first option that is going to make me rich. Hodling, my friends. Another interesting one, which I don't own, but I've been keeping an eye on and want to talk about with you here today, is GMX. Now this is a decentralized perpetual exchange. Think Bybit, but on-chain, particularly Ethereum Layer 2. Now, it's been popular on social media recently since the cash flow rewards remain really strong for this coin. Now, rewards for GMX either pay out in Ethereum if you're staking it via Arbitrum, or recently they launched on Avalanche, so you'll pay out in AVAX if you're staking it on the Avalanche network. Staking rates are currently over 20% or around 20%. This is paid in both escrowed GMX tokens and either ETH or AVAX, depending on the network that you're staking on. The price of this coin has actually doubled since we first covered it a few weeks ago in the newsletter, by the way. It's been a very strong mover in this current market situation. Now, another coin that I do not currently own, but I have been keeping an eye on, AAVE. AAVE is the third biggest protocol in DeFi right now, and they are making the list today because AAVE has just announced that they are going to start paying 100% of the fees of their new stablecoin go to those who stake AAVE tokens. Now look, there's a lot of variables here. Of course, it remains to be seen how profitable this is actually going to be for stakers. Most of it depends on how much they're able to get this stablecoin adopted. But AAVE has proven to be a major player in DeFi with real staying power and the real ability to attract capital to their platform. So if their stablecoin takes off, and there's a good chance that it could, then this could be a good cash generating coin for AAVE stakers, especially at the current price of AAVE, which is like 80% under the all-time highs. Next, let's talk about Curve Finance. This is the fifth biggest DeFi protocol and a coin which is kind of a big deal in the cryptocurrency scene. It is the platform for swapping between like stable coins and stuff like this. It's a major DeFi protocol, and the ability to swap at a super low slippage between stable coins or wrapped Bitcoin alternative stuff is massive. You want to trade USDT for USDC? Well, Curve Finance is probably going to be the best place to do that on chain. Now, the Curve token, it can also be locked up in a platform called Convex Finance. This allows you to earn CVX tokens, CRV tokens, and 3 Curve LP tokens, which essentially is paying you out in dollars, this is what I do. Or you can also just lock your Curve on the Curve Finance platform, and then you'll just earn 3 Curve rewards, so a bit less there. Now the stablecoin rewards via the 3 Curve pool are something like 4% right now. But if you stake in Convex instead of just directly on Curve Finance, you actually end up earning 18%. So it's 4% plus 14% played out in CRV and CVX token rewards. Plus, the Curve team have just announced that they're going to be launching a stablecoin as well to compete with AAVE, obviously. We don't have all the detail yet, but it's coming. It's coming, and it's going to probably be really big when it does. For these reasons, I own, I stake, and I hold Curve Finance. Finally, synthetics, SNX. Now this is a synthetic asset platform that, to be honest, struggled for years to have even a few users on chain because the gas fees on Ethereum made the platform basically unusable. Even just trying to claim your rewards was crushing in fees. That's the reason why I sold my synthetics coins like a year ago or something like that. Just claiming rewards became a painful process. But I recently rebought a position in synthetics because guess what? It is getting a new life on Ethereum Layer 2 Optimism, where SNX stakers are actually receiving some pretty damn nice rewards paid out in the native SNX token, as well as the synthetic dollar SUSD. So SUSD tokens can then be taken over to Curve Finance, where they can earn even more. It's like 5% APY or something over there. Hashtag winning. It's also one of the top held and top traded coins by big Ethereum whales, and will be integrating atomic swaps into the Curve Finance platform for their synths pretty soon. It's pretty cool. All these platforms, of course, work together, and one success tends to create more success overall. And look, this is not an exhaustive list of coins. There are some other hot ones out there like Balancer, which pays out protocol fees in USDC, or Looks Rare, which is an NFT marketplace, whose coin I own, by the way, but they pay out in Ethereum. So if you're staking the coin, you actually get Ethereum rewards paid out. There's a few others as well, much smaller ones, but these are some of the biggest ones. Anyway, I hope that this video has perhaps sparked some interest in some of these coins that you can now go and research to DYOR on. Maybe you didn't know about them. Maybe you didn't know all the details about these coins. Obviously, isn't all the details, just some of the most important parts of the details regarding the cash flow. Anyway, I think the cash flow generating coins are definitely something to watch out for during the bear market, and really just in general. The long-term potential of these coins that actually pay you real money is pretty damn big. And sure, dog meme coins and other relatively useless junk coins can have their pump seasons. But a coin with real solid fundamentals and real solid earnings paid out to token holders, I think it's a very attractive use case and thing to keep an eye on in a sea of otherwise useless tokens. Anyway, your question for today: are you buying any of these coins? Are you interested in these coins? Maybe you already hold some of these coins that are generating real cash flow for users, or are you putting your money into other coins? Dog coins only, baby. Let me know down below in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.